I just got a 778 full step. It was cool, so I decided to break it down. So the scramble is here, 778. If you need more time, just pause the video to follow the scramble. Alright, so now I will break it down. So I did white cross. My cross pieces are here, 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 and here. And I saw this soft orange green pair, so I decided to drag it. So I hold orange front, yellow top, and added this, and then white U, and then I solved the parent to the back, then solved the red cross piece, and I have the X cross. Next I saw this blue and red pair, and I also saw the red green pair. And after everything, we have this one of the worst FTL cases, but it's fine. So I did it, and we have this OLO. It is a great OLO if you execute it well, like so, and a nice PLO, and in this case a U-perm. For this U-perm, I use the M move out, so it goes like so. Yeah, so 778 full step.